This March 11th marks the one-year anniversary of the COVID-19 global health pandemic. What a difficult time it's been for those affected with the disease, their caretakers, and the rest of the community. I want to take a moment to recognize our community's wins, our losses, and the intense fight that we've all been locked in since this virus arrived. As a nation, we're on the road to recovery thanks to the vaccinations that began rolling out on December 15th. As of the end of February, cases are on a steady decline, and Cape Fear Valley has been leading the way, having administered about 90,000 vaccine doses. It's heartening to focus on the positives, such as the thousands of regional residents who've recovered, and our thoughts are with them. But we cannot celebrate these tremendous vaccine and recovery achievements without taking a moment to remember those we have lost. Cumberland County alone has lost almost 280 residents to COVID-19. A small fraction of the more than 500,000 deaths in our country that have been attributed to this virus. We recognize and share our country's grief. To our patients, it's been our honor to provide your health care through this pandemic. To our healthcare workers, thank you for your tireless efforts, your long hours, and for doing it all under immeasurable stress. You are all healthcare heroes. This is a phrase which can only hint at the daily sacrifices you have made to take care of others, while also taking care of yourselves and your families. To our community, thank you for patiently supporting our healthcare workers, for understanding visitation restrictions, for masking up, staying home, and making the best choices to keep yourself and your family well. Thank you for all the letters and cards, the donations, the grants, the many donations such as masks, PPE, and meals. We are so very grateful for everything you've done for us. We received PPE and other supply donations from more than 125 churches, businesses, and community members. 63 community organizations and individuals donated handmade cloth masks for our healthcare workers, and more than 125 local restaurants, groups, and community members purchased meals for our staff. In addition, 26 local volunteer blood donors have donated more than 100 units of their convalescent plasma, which is given to COVID patients. All of our lives have been forever changed by this pandemic, and we pray that the next year's anniversary will find our community in a much healthier situation. Until then and beyond, Cape Fear Valley will continue to be here for our region, fulfilling our mission to provide exceptional health care for all of our patients.